Good morning, students. Today I'm going to explain the chapter Quiz on Environment. So, environment plays an important role in our life. We should save it. So, first question is based on this chapter is what is the destruction of a forest? When we destroy the forest, when we clearance the trees, when we cutting the trees and we are harming, we are just making the building, we are building the building at that time. So, what does it call? The purpose, what do we call? That is called clearing, deforestation or reforestation. What do we call? We call them deforestation. But listen, that is deforestation, clearance, clear cutting or cleaning is removal for a forest on stand of what trees from land. We are just we are clearing the trees to make the building there to that was so we are just clearing the what land, clearing the land, we are just deforesting. It means deforestation means cutting the trees, clearing the land. Second question is in which country was Greenpeace founded? Greenpeace, it ensures, what is the purpose of the Greenpeace? Greenpeace means it ensures the ability of the earth to nurture life in all its diversity. So campaign, they have started the campaign on worldwide, what they have just used, such as climate change, deforestation. Nowadays overfishing is there and what nuclear issues are there. So due to that they have started the campaign, their green peace. Green peace means greenery, peace means calm. So we should what based on this we should what follow this. So in which country that has started founded, that was established there, that is in Canada. Canada has founded firstly the Greenpeace campaign. Third question, which atmospheric layer contains the ozone shield? Many layers are there in atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, exosphere, mesosphere. So which layer the ozone shield is there? Ozone shield, it is a layer in the earth's stratosphere at and what the where which absorbs most of the ultraviolet radiations. It absorbs the ultraviolet radiation reaching the earth from the sun. These are very harmful radiations. So it protects, ozone layer protecting us from the what, that is the radiations, ultraviolet rays, that is what, that is coming from what, the from the sun. So it is very harmful for us and one layer is there, and which that was ozone shield is what where it is contained, it is in the stratosphere. Stratosphere is the name of the layer of the earth. Next question, which gas emitted by power station causes acid rain? Which gas? In the acid rain. Acid rain is due to, why the acid rain is there? Power plants, the majority of sulfur dioxide when they burn, such as coal, car buses are just releasing the nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide into the air and it mixes in the water. So at that time it mixes in the air. At the time when it is vapor is there and condensation is there, at that time it what pour on the earth, what it come on the earth, at that time it included the these gases there. These are very harmful and due to that acid rain occur. So which is there, which gas is there? Sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide gas emitted by power station causes acid rain. Next question, from which source does all the energy in a food chain originate? Which sources does all the energy? Who is giving the energy? Which source is there who give the energy to the food chain originate? And you know that sun gives us energy. All the food chain they are giving the what, energy. So next is there, so vast majority of energy that exists in food webs originate from the sun. So vast energy is where? In the sun. Which source is there? That is the sun. That exists in food webs originates from the sky and it is converted into the chemical energy. It converted into the chemical energy by the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, when the trees are what they are producing, they are making their own food. So that is called that process is called photosynthesis in the plants. So the vast energy is including in the sun. Next is, in which year was the first World Environment Day celebrated? Which year it was celebrated, the World Environment Day? Because we are just talking about the environment. We should save. For saving them, for saving the environment, we should save it from the pollution. So how we can, even that soil pollution, air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution. So we should save our environment. To whom that is, because we are ailing our planet Earth, so we should save its environment. 1976, the world first Environment Day is celebrated, was celebrated. Seventh is, which type of pollution is the cause of increasing number of ailments? Which type of pollution? All pollutions. Before I explained all the pollutions, it doesn't mean that one only pollution is cause for the ailment. Ailment means diseases. All the diseases, what are the, why all the diseases are spreading everywhere? So which pollution is caused? Water, air. Even that soil, noise, also pollution is there, but here they have just mentioned only the two pollutions. Two type of the pollution they have mentioned. So both, we will mark here both. Water pollution as well air pollution is there. Number 8, which river carries the maximum amount of sediments? So sediments, that is including in, sediments means matter that settles to the bottom of a liquid. Sediments means matter that settles to the bottom of a liquid, that is called the sediments. Which river in India the maximum sediments are just included, carries with it, that is called Kaveri. Kaveri river carries the maximum amount of sediments. Sediments, already I have told you, the matter that settles to the bottom of a liquid, that is called the sediments. Next question is, which is the primary food source for marine animal life? Marine means water. The aquatic animals are there who lives in the water. They depend on the which food? Main food. Primary means main food for them. Which is the main food for the marine animal? Aquatic animals we are talking about. The food name is taro. The food name is taro. Psychoplankton is also there. The main food is there, but here is the taro option is there. So taro food is the main food for the aquatic and marine animal life. They depend on the taro food, that is in the water, in the ocean, in the sea. Next question is, which of these scientists study the material that form the earth's surface? The earth's surface who are studying, what do we call this type of the study? The person is there who study the earth's surface. Earth's surface, like mountains, rock, they study about the rocks, mountains. They are called geologist, geography. If you listen this word, that geography, the geology word, that was word, it has taken from the geography. Geologist is the word, the person who do the study, they call the geologist. And geologist who do the study of the what? The animals, that is called geologist it's called. So worldwide, next question, World Wildlife Fund was founded in which year? It was found in World Wildlife Fund, that is in World Wildlife Fund. They just give the fund at the time, that was World Life. So which year it was founded? We should protect the wildlife. We should not harm to the animals. Wild animals are what they are going to extinct now. So we should say, we should protect them. So fund, they are just what? They are just what? This they are just, their purpose is to what? Their purpose is to save the wild animals. So it was founded in 1961. It was founded in 1961. So it is an international non-governmental organization that works in the field of wildlife preservation and the reduction of human impact on the environment. They protect, its purpose is, this is the international non-governmental organization. World Wildlife is the international non-governmental organization that works in the field of wildlife preservation. They preserve the wildlife, they protect the wildlife and the reduction of the human impact. Human always what harm to the animals. They are poaching, hunting the animal. So they protect They protect the environment that was from the human impact is there. So this is the founded in where 1961. Last question, in terms of area, which Indian state has the largest forest cover? In terms of area wise, which state of India has the largest cover of the forest? The largest cover of the forest is there, that is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh has the maximum largest forest cover land is there. Thank you so much.